Glucerna Nutritional Shake, Creamy Strawberry, 8 FL Oz bottle, 6 count. Product details. Glucerna Original Nutrition Shakes are scientifically designed to help people with diabetes manage blood sugar. Our shakes have CARBSTEADY, unique blends of slow-release carbohydrates, as well as 10 grams of high-quality protein, vitamins A and D, zinc, and antioxidants, vitamins C and E. They make delicious grab-and-go meal or snack replacements. Gluten-free and suitable for lactose intolerance, but not for people with galactosemia. Glucerna is the #1 nutrition brand recommended by doctors for people with diabetes. Designed to help minimize blood sugar spikes compared to high-glycemic carbohydrates. Replace one poor meal or snack choice. Scientifically designed for people with diabetes, Glucerna Nutrition Shakes are a simple way to help manage carb intake so you can stay on track. #1 doctor-recommended brand. Glucerna is the #1 doctor-recommended nutrition brand for people with diabetes. Designed to help manage blood sugar, has CARBSTEADY, unique blends of slow-release carbohydrates to help minimize blood sugar spikes. Great as a meal or snack replacement, replace small meals or snacks with Glucerna each day. Nutrients for immune system support. Our nutritional shake for diabetics has protein, vitamins A and D, zinc, and antioxidants, vitamins C and E and selenium. Accepting SNAP EBT on grocery pickup for this item. Directions. Instructions. Use under medical supervision. Shake well before opening.